The electric vehicles of the Volkswagen Group are equipped with a modular electric drive matrix, which can vary depending on the vehicle type. The high-voltage battery can be charged either through standard charging or fast charging. During fast charging with direct current, there are two cables with larger cross-sections that lead directly to the battery. Normal charging from the grid is connected to a high-voltage battery charger, also known as a converter. This charger converts the 230-volt alternating current from the grid into 400-volt direct current to charge the high-voltage battery. The high-voltage battery is equipped with power relays. These will only switch if the vehicle has not detected any faults. The high-voltage circuit of the battery can be interrupted either by a fuse in the event of a short circuit or by a pyrotechnic safety switch in the event of an accident. The battery consists of multiple modules. Each module is controlled by a control unit. The capacity of a module depends on the number of cells connected in parallel, and the voltage depends on the number of cells connected in series. This module consists of 24 cells, each with a voltage of 3.7 volts and a capacity of 78 ampere-hours. Since these cells are connected first in parallel and then in series, the module has a voltage of 44.4 volts and a capacity of 156 ampere-hours. The total voltage of the battery depends on the number of modules connected in series. To cool or heat the battery, an internal liquid circulation plate is located under the modules. The high voltage is then passed on to the power electronics. The power electronics are directly connected to the electric motor. They consist of a circuit board that controls the operation of the electric motor based on the position of the accelerator pedal. A mounting plate supports the circuit board and also provides cooling for it. A circuit board that controls the IGBT power transistor module. A circuit board that filters out disruptive interferences. An IGBT power transistor module. This module is divided into 3 groups of transistors, each converting the direct voltage for each phase into alternating voltage. A liquid-cooled block ensures the cooling of the transistors. A voltage discharge resistor dissipates the voltage accumulated in the capacitors when the contact is turned off. These capacitors store the voltage spikes that occur when the transistors open. A single-speed gearbox reduces the rotational speed of the electric motor, thereby increasing the torque transferred to the wheels. The motor is cooled by circulating liquid through an internal conduit. The position and rotational direction of the rotor are measured by a resolver. The resolver consists of 3 windings. A primary excitation coil receives a frequency, which is induced in 2 secondary coils. Depending on the position of the cams, the induced voltage will vary. The modular electric components of the Volkswagen Group's electric vehicles include the charger for the high-voltage battery, the electric motor with its power electronics, the high-voltage battery itself, the cabin air heater, the fluid heater circulated through the high-voltage battery and electric motor with its power electronics, the air conditioning compressor, and the charger for the 12-volt battery. This charger can also be referred to as a voltage converter,